Here is the Vietnam Job Market Update Report by VSHR Pro Academy about the job market's change in the last week of May 2022. Through the Job Market Report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. In the last week of the month, the technology industry still was the highest group. The second places are banking, finance, FB, and this was a new data performance of FB industry. There is a downward change with the decreased data of software, which has dropped from 337 to 257, and internet has declined more than 50 positions. This week, the business needs staff at middle seniors level with 166 in IT, 112 in software and 200 staff in internet. In general, banking and insurance are both on a downward trend. While finance has increased from 156 to 186 positions, banking has dropped slightly from 167 to 153, and insurance occupied nearly 52. Moreover, insurance and banking need more staff at the associate levels, and finance has focused on hiring middle senior levels. Commercial real estate, construction and real estate have had dramatic changes this week. While commercial real estate has dropped from 33 to 24, construction has kept rising to 33 positions. And real estate has declined 8 positions since last week. Besides that, they still focus on middle senior and associate level in commercial real estate and construction. On the other hand, real estate has focused on seeking associate level. The FB and food production industry has had a sharp growth this week. FB has climbed from 66 to 138 positions. Food production has been nearly 71. Otherwise, they focus on recruiting at the middle senior level in both industries. In the last group, except for fashion, other industries have an upward trend. Fashion decreased from 76 to 42 positions. The highest number in the chart has been consumer goods, which has made out 90, and retail has occupied about 72. In addition, they need staff at middle senior level. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam Job Market Update Report.